Are you trying to find the best auto body shop in the Waco, Texas Bosqueville area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Waco's Bosqueville area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Waco, Texas Bosqueville service, body repair service. Estimate an auto body repair shop solutions all the troubles within a spending plan that matches all consumers. Taking responses from the consumers, the service center provides overhaul tailored at specific level. Picking the most effective auto service center is not difficult if you have the called for details. There are many firms in this field, yet few have the experienced technicians that can develop a difference in auto overhaul. They not only provide the solution yet additionally get rid of the trouble from the root level. An auto repairing service should be able to alternative to faulty body parts and also offer the most effective parts. Apart from vehicles, numerous heavy vehicles are additionally to be repaired with excellence to make sure that the repair center gets recognition. Similar to a medical professional, the technician at the center is able to recognize and also rectify auto troubles. Taken care of by reliable teams, the auto shops have shown up as essential parts of the services in city areas with large number of people gathering there to locate answers for their auto-relevant troubles. Economical rate and also top-class overhaul are working together at the repair centers, and also satisfaction levels of the consumers continue to be actually high. Every detail of the auto parts are kept in consideration at the auto body repair shop. The overhaul develops a positive difference in the road experience of drivers, and also they do not have to get their vehicles serviced for a long period. A host of services are offered, including repairing of the brakes, replacement of the tires, tubes, and also repairing up the operating system that includes of the wipers, fluid levels, belts, battery, and also much more. In the Canadian market, the automobile owners have come to be widely depending on the auto service centers. Auto paint and also body describing are additionally offered within the portable plan at several of the centers that take care of the outward look of the vehicle. The paint is carried out in a specialist fashion to make sure that it virtually matches with the previous condition of the vehicle. The service centers have shown up as one-stop solutions for the consumers, and also they have got excellent referrals for the services. Technicians are ready to follow up if any kind of concern regarding the repair is brought up before them. The company show high level of duty for which they actually bring in admiration. The consumer's time and money is valued, and also the service that is offered matches world-class criterion. Auto repair shops in Ontario have safeguarded the goodwill of consumers for years. The schedule of the most effective technicians and also the world-class parts includes in the destination of the services. Consumers from all parts of Canada have gathered below to get their works done, and also the satisfaction level has been really high. As soon as getting service from these centers, they have advised others to the centers. In such a circumstance, the technical know-how of the specialists have made a difference in the criterion of the service. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.